Hi guys. Since we're still going to the campsite and it's going to be a beach there, but first we're going to the shops. So I'll talk with you in the shops. Alright? And I have my little brother here and he might want to say something. What do you want to say? Meow. Oh, he's just being a cat. It's very fun. We're going to be there for one night, and also, Mummy is on a trip till tomorrow, and I also dropped almost a phone, but then I caught it. So, do you want to have a talk about the campsite? Okay, Sunny and me were helping Dad set up the tent, and Sunny's coming. Sunny, can you just give me a minute and then I'll let you have a time. So Sunny, his head's here, and he just needs to go. And that's where Dad's in. Yeah. And it is so fun because we're at our campsite. Look at it. Yeah, I know that is our tent. Dad's setting it up. And it will be ready in no time.
I give Indigo a bit of a break from the microphone and show you guys around. Did a bit of a tarp setup. Didn't work as well as I'd hoped, but whatever. Got the ute here. Set up the back as a bit of a camp kitchen, microwave, air fryer, kettle, electric fry pan, which is good. Got the fridge going here with a bit of a cheese platter on the side. Got a little dishwashing station here, so wanted to try and improve on last time, which we didn't really have a way to clean our dishes, so that's all new, courtesy of Amy. I've got the tent here underneath the awning. I didn't use the awning last time, so I was keen to try and use that one. Tiger in the background apparently, but because we used that, I didn't feel the need to put the fly on the tent, so I'll see if we regret that. Also, something else I've added is an electric blanket, so that runs off the 12 volt connected there to the ute, which is why I wanted to try and keep things close. There's a fire, and we're burning that big log that we picked up on the side of the road earlier, but as you can see, we found a nice little spot here where firewood is not of any shortage. So we'll walk through this, and it was really cool. We've just obviously been out here exploring the bush, and someone's obviously been here before us because we found this little shelter that someone had made, a little kids' cubby house. So we actually decided to set up camp here because this had this really cool little cubby house here. So that's why we chose this particular location. Talking to the owner Ryan again here, and he was saying that where we're currently staying is in the Winter Creek.
Yeah, and it's a playground we can see.
Yeah, there's a playground we can see. And so what we're looking at the moment is actually the riverbed. But he was saying, so basically he was saying it's been so dry, there hasn't been any water in the creek for the entire year, whereas last year it was flowing from March through to September for the entire time. Very fun, hey?
Hi guys, do you want to come down the slide with me? Come on, it'll be fun. First, let's get a drink. Guys, go and get a drink. And when you're back, we can go on the slide. Turn and then I will come down. Was that fun? I bet it was fun. Do you want to go down again? My turn now. Hello, horsey. Hi, It's so big. That must be the baby one. right there. Look,
What is it?
flowers. And they're beautiful. Spring is so fun. Hi guys. Hi Mummy. Mummy, we're up in a big tree and Sunny's being very careful. I think we've been here for 20 hours. Nature, nature, only nature. Nature's beautiful. Nature is beautiful.
All right, that way. You lead the way, Sunny.
Oh, Daddy,
Yeah, I'm coming.
this way.
Okay.
I need to go toilet.
There's a toilet right here.
Roar! Roar!
We got the hammock working.
I know. I'm just gonna do one thing to my hand.
Oh, thanks, Indigo. Thanks for the kiss.
Who did that?
Thanks for the kiss, Sunny. It's cute. Be careful of the fire and your legs, Indigo. Alright, guys.
End of day.
End of day. Did we have some fun?
Yeah, and we're also going to bed now.
Thank you.
And Sonny was crying about he just really did not want this pillow. So then I just gave him his wide.
That was a really beautiful moment. Sunny really didn't want a little pillow, so Indigo gave her big pillow so that he would be happy.
Yeah, and that was all mine. And Dad said I could have a treat in the morning.
A little reward.
Yeah.
What are you excited about over there?
Day.
Excited for tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, because we study.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Good night, Sunny. Say good night.
Bear. Bear.
Where's your bear? I don't know. What do you do with him? Wait. Yeah. Yep. Say good night, Sunny.
Night. Hi guys, we just woke up and and Sunny's been coughing in the night a lot, and wait, what? You can talk.
Been a very cold night, but we've all cuddled up on a single mattress together
Yeah,
and shared an electric blanket. So that's been fun. And this is what it looks like. Want to go sit on the log, Sunny?
Cold.
You're cold.
Very cold.
You're very cold. Do you want to cuddle? Can you show me your cups? Magical unicorn, and what's on your cup, Sunny?
Jenga.
A dinosaur.
Yeah.
Nothing like a bit of milk in the morning, eh?
Yeah.